Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm bringing to you like this new care homes in the UK that are offering visa sponsorship, and you can apply to them like right now. You all know by now that not every care home in the UK is open to hiring overseas workers, right? So many of them have the license, right? They have the sponsorship license. They are licensed sponsors as listed on the government, UK government website. But right now they are refusing to offer sponsorship to foreign applicants. So it's like so hard to find a UK care home right now that wants to hire from overseas. So in this video, I'm going to show you, care homes that you can apply to in the UK as a foreigner. So if you're outside the UK, you need a job in the UK as a healthcare assistant, you want to move down to the UK as a healthcare assistant, and you need visa sponsorship, do watch this video. My name is Jackie if we are just meeting, and you're welcome to my channel. Do subscribe to the channel so you can be seeing more videos like this that will help you in your relocation journey, and do turn on the post notification bell, so important, so you don't miss any video I post. And if you're interested in content about finance, how to make money online, side hustles you can do from the comfort of your home with zero capital, then do check out my second channel, Jackie Finance. That is where I share all this kind of information. And truthfully, side hustles, online business are really going to help to facilitate your relocation abroad in so many ways, actually. So do check out Jackie Finance. All right, let me show you these care homes. I'm going to be showing you the website, so do watch it to the end so you can get to know which care homes in the UK you can send in your applications as an international applicant. So this care home is currently hiring care workers from overseas, right? So if you're outside of the UK and you need a visa sponsorship care job, then this is one place that you should check. All right. And if you're in the UK as well, you can also check them out. So this is Home Counties Carers, right? And they are currently hiring from overseas. Okay, so they say here that the earnings is £30,000 per annum, which is £15 per hour, right? And they say car is available as well. So let's see more information. So warm and friendly family care business, providing the best living and home carers in the heart of Surrey. We are a family-run care home business that is committed to providing people with friendly, reliable, trustworthy, and competent carers who take great pride in being the best they can. All right, so you can read more about them here. So they provide the best services in live-in care, hourly home care, dementia care, sleeping and waking nights, post-operative care and convalescence, and respite care, right? So these are the services that they currently provide, okay? So it's good you go through the website to see more information. So for now, let's just go and check out, the care jobs. Let's just see what care jobs they have available. Caring about our staff is just as important as caring for our clients. So they do care about their staff. We are a professionally run family business that prides itself on providing the highest level of care and support to our elderly clients. To do this, we need to have the very best quality staff. Our current recruitment needs are, so these are the areas they need, carers. They need live-in carers and they need home carers, right? So these are the locations where these carers are needed. So they need, a number of them, not just one. There are many positions, many vacancies open for care workers. Please complete our application form and one of us will chat you. So we can click here to complete the application form. Okay, so let's just see what that's about. Okay, so here is the form. So there are about 7 pages in all. So this is the first page, your name, telephone number, email, your address, and all of that. So let's go back. So alternatively, right, you can send your application to their email address,
especially if you're outside the UK. So this email address is for UK applicants. So if you're in UK, send your application to recruitment at homecountiescarers.co.uk. And if you're outside of the UK, send your application to sponsorship at homecountiescarers.co.uk. As you can see here is for overseas applicants. So whether you're in the UK or outside of the UK and you need a visa sponsorship job, then you can check them out. All right. So to attract the best carers, we offer, so these are what they offer: great rates of pay. Our rate of pay are outstanding, in line with our care. If you work a 30-minute call, you are paid for a 45-minute call. And then hours are guaranteed as well. Full-time carers can be guaranteed a minimum number of hours per week. Many people do complain about not getting hours at work, so this, care home guarantees the a maximum number of hours every week that you can take up. All right. So 24-hour support, dedicated 24-hour on call, manned by HCC care managers, responsive to concerns raised, and professional development. Carers are encouraged, supported, and funded to gain qualifications in care. And then there are social events as well. All work and no play the same makes Jack a dull boy. So regular staff meetings, team teas, barbecues, and Christmas party, and technology as well. Early adopters of new technologies that benefit carers, clients, and office team. All right. So if you're interested, you can give them a call as well. You can call them, and then also send your application to this email address right here. Okay. So let's look at another care home. Let's see another care home. So this one is also hiring with visa sponsorship as well. So for this one, I think we should just go directly to join our team. Let's see what they are offering. All right. At Kura, we acknowledge the high turnover in the industry, and we tailor our staff packages to mitigate against this and protect the services we offer to our clients. Please see our current vacancies below. So these are vacancies that they currently have, and they have tier 2 visa sponsorship. So if you're in the UK, you're looking for a tier 2 visa sponsored job, then do check out this care home. All right. Kura is the name, Kura Care. So you can check this out. So let's just see one of them. This is for a senior carer. This is for a carer, senior carer. Okay. So just these two have visa sponsorship. So let's see this one first. So this is what they're looking for in the candidate: level 3 SVQ in health and social care or equivalent, such as Red Cross or St. John's, experience supervising of carers, passionate and willing to train to care, excellent social and communication skills, and all of that, a driving license, and you must have completed all international tier 2 skilled worker visa requirements, which are, the IELTS, the English proficiency exam, and other things that are needed, to get your tier 2 worker visa. So you need to get all of that ready. All right. So that's for the senior carer role. So let's take a look at the carer. What do they have for carers? Yeah. So this is what they need for carers. You need to be able to provide 2 references, a driver's license, and of course, every other requirements for a skilled worker visa. I'm going to do more videos to show you more care homes in the UK that are currently recruiting with visa sponsorship.
All right, so I hope you found that useful. Do give the video a like, that is a thumbs up, and share it with others so they can apply it to these care homes as well. Let's just spread the kindness around like the same way I found it, and I did a video to share it to you. Extend that kindness to others as well. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already, so you can be seeing more videos like this. My name is Jackie. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.